Now welcome to your beautiful home. Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 3-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located here near Visayas Avenue in Quezon City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the site plan and property sizes, it's a well-planned 36-unit development with lot areas ranging from 86 to 124 square meters and floor areas ranging from 216 to 252 square meters. For the specific unit features, each unit has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a powder room, an open concept living area, a dining and kitchen space, a maid's room, and a service area. For the specific special features of the community, there's a community swimming pool, 24-hour security, LED lights for the specific units, and solar panels for each unit. And all this in a well-designed community near Visayas Avenue and Mindanao Avenue. Now let's begin the tour. So we're gonna tour you through a corner model unit, and as you can see here, you have a 2-car garage, and we have a unique device over here which actually allows you to have 2 cars parked on a single space. But this is of course reserved only for a sedan type vehicle. Now let's head on in. As you can see, we're taking proper precautions in terms of health. That's why we have a thermal scanner here for all visitors. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you have a foyer space, and you're immediately led to your first bedroom and a bathroom. Let's take a look. So this is an excellent space if you have family members who would like to stay on the ground level. And you have a window here which gives you a view of your parking space. And you have a bathroom once you come out, which you can also use as a guest bathroom. From here, you have access to a maid's room leading to the side of the house where you have a service area. Now let's head on up. Welcome to the second floor of your home where we have an open living space. This property has beautiful interior lighting with LED lighting throughout the entire property. You also have this nice accent in terms of the ceiling design. It's also a great open living space which flows very well into your dining area, and you already have built-in cabinetry across all of the units. And from here, you have space for a large table that can sit 6 people. And it flows very naturally to a generously spaced kitchen. So if you take a look, we already have built-in custom cabinetry. This is where you can have your refrigerator. And on this side, we can actually fit your oven and cooktop on this side, which can easily be cut and customized. So you have a lot of space to move. It doesn't feel cramped at all. And from here, you also have a powder room for guests. You'll also notice that upon entering the second level, you have a nice spacious foyer area here with an accent wall where you can have an artwork that can welcome your guests, and additional storage space here, and a display area. Now let's head on up to the third level where you have the master's bedroom and your third bedroom. Let's go. This model unit shows different types of furniture to give you an idea on how you can maximize the space, but this is a fantastic idea of having a nice light fixture for this space in your third level. You can also have an area here where you can have additional storage or even 2 tables and a nice nook. And from here, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. The master bedroom is spacious with a nice dropped ceiling with cove lighting. It's also quite high in terms of the height. You have more than enough space for a study area like this, and a large window making it very well lit. You see that you have enough space for storage, a large television set, and even a bench here at the foot of your bed. And here we have your master bathroom. You have a walk-in closet space and a spacious bath area. So for another perspective, you have the closet area here. And on this side, you have the electrical breakers as well as access to control for your solar panels. So all the units here have solar panels as well, which can help you with your electricity bill. Let's head on out. Now let's take a look at your third bedroom. In terms of size, you have the master bedroom as the largest room, you have the room in the ground floor as the smallest room, and this is the mid-sized room. But it's still spacious enough to have a queen-sized bed, and you also have a large window for ventilation and as well as for natural light. You also have built-in cabinetry on this side for closet space and your own bathroom. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video for this brand new 3-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located near Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property and schedule a property viewing, just contact us through our email and number in the description below. You can also follow us and message us on Instagram and Facebook. And to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this well-designed, upscale, brand new townhouse development for sale near Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.